a rubber con that comes out of a squeezy tube from Mercedes-Benz. I didn't realize until now that it is leaking again from this one. So this is a separate one. It has its favorite places of leaking from here, if you can kind of see, and then in the back here, it likes to leak also. So I want to go ahead and take this one out because that's the leaky problem. minutes to dry, but completely, and 24 hours. But you're good to go in about 90, so I give it about 4 hours. So, you know, give it enough time to do its magic. So let's just put that back on there and start her up. And side note, if you don't see any leaks anywhere in any of these gaskets, you're good to go. It is sealed nice and tight. If it isn't, air will sneak in from anywhere, and the code P0173, P0170 will usually flash in combination along with the check engine light, engine sputtering, stumbling. This so happens to be my problem, and now it's fixed.